Hello everyone, my name is Hasan Erdogan. I'm a freshman student in the Industrial Engineering Department at Clipchamp University. Today, for my PHYS101 project, I will present my experiment titled Studying Rotational Motion on an Inclined Plane. The main goal of this experiment is to observe how shape, mass, and radius affect the acceleration of a rolling object. To do this, I modified my experiment into two parts. In the first part, I'm going to observe the effect of mass, and in the second part, I'm going to observe whether the acceleration depends on the mass and radius or not.
As you can see here, these are my equipments: a meter, a paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, packing tape or tape roll, and a battery, a stopwatch, a board, which is about 90 centimeters, my books. And now in this part, I'm measuring the height, which is 24 centimeters, the length of the board, which is 91 centimeters. I'm measuring the mass of my equipments, as you can see it here. The tape roll, the battery. In this part, I'm basically drawing the outline of the radiuses like this as a circle. The circumferences to measure the radiuses, the radius of my equipments, and I'm calculating the radiuses. As you can see it in here. And now I'm making the experiment. I'm leaving the object on the top of the pendulum, and it rolls. I'm repeating like per object. I'm repeating this process 5 times in order to get better approximation, like in order to get better, like more consistent average time. I'm repeating it in the towel tape roll. The results are pretty much the same, so it does not change the average time. So that's basically my
And now let's
experiment.
take a look at the data. In the first part, we observed effect of shape. As we predicted, the battery, which is a solid cylinder, accelerated way faster than the hollow rolls. The battery's acceleration was 1.38 meter per second square, while the hollow rolls were around 0.95 meters per second square. This proves that the moment of inertia coefficient leads to higher acceleration. In the second part, I observed the effect of mass and radius. In this part, I observed 3 hollow rolls: the paper roll, towel roll, and the tape roll. Even though tape roll was heavier than the other rolls, its acceleration was pretty much the same compared to these two rolls. They were around 0.98 and 0.94. This actually successfully proves that the acceleration is independent of mass and radius. Even though my data was pretty consistent, there was a difference between theory and reality. You see, my experiment values were lower than the theoretical ones. It's because of the air resistance. You see, in the theoretical acceleration formula, there is no air resistance. We are ignoring that, and because of that, my error rate occurred between 19 and 27%. Since the paper rolls are light but large objects, the air drag slowed them significantly compared to the heavy battery. In conclusion, this experiment confirmed that shape, It determines acceleration while mass and radius does not. Thank you for watching.